Hey YouTube family. Um, this is a non-VSG post, something that I wanted to post real quick. And today I am really moved because I've had y'all know my struggle that I've been going through going back to school, being my age and stuff. And y'all know I have prayed and prayed and prayed. And some of y'all have prayed for me and everything. Excuse my ratchetness today. Today was vote day, and I hear it and jumped up out of the bed. I hear it would have got that line and went and voted. But I just wanted to tell y'all today I got my ACT scores, and I had to make an 18, and I made a 21. I'm sorry for crying, but y'all, I'm a waterhead anyway. I cry about everything, but I really felt y'all's prayers for me from some of y'all who was inboxing me and commenting on my post, and I really appreciate it because I studied real hard and I tried real hard to make the best grade possible, even through my frustration. And I started to just give up and just not even finish the test because I was so frustrated. But I just want to say thank you to everybody who prayed for me because y'all showed that. And I am emotionally overwhelmed. So that is the next step in my success, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to make a post later on today when I'm not so emotionally wacky. And I just want to tell y'all I love y'all. Thank you for the prayers. And I done it. Bye.